Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy movement here on Boeing, and now that the dust has settled, definitely some very well-defined areas to keep an eye on from both the resistance and support side of things. So these will be levels that I'll be keeping an eye on, and I think a lot of other traders will be too, which is a good thing, because when lots of other people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have, like I said, with a couple of these areas. The first level that I'll be watching, along with I'm sure many others, is right down here, that level of support at the 156 mark. You can see that basically all afternoon long, that is where the price, went sideways. And you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls stepped up, and they built a good solid bid right there. And while none of this is guaranteed to happen, my core point here is it's more than valid to think that if the price goes sideways and then breaks down through 156, that could very well create that much more downside buying, selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed, but that's a more than that's not a random thought to be having. That's a very rational thought. In the event that does occur, then the next key level of support, where it very well could be headed down to. So a break of 156, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price at least revisit the 154.50 mark, if not even go lower than that. But those are definitely the main levels of support to watch. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level that I think a lot of breakout players will be watching, going to be right up there around the 158.25 mark. So 158.25, main level of resistance to watch. So again, not guaranteed, but a rational thought that if the price can work its way up and get the breakup through there, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So you're going to also want to keep an eye on that from the trading standpoint. But overall, the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.